$2,133 total net profit. Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are introducing a powerful new addition to your trading setup, the GMGS Pro Expert Advisor. This powerful bot is optimized for major pairs like EURUSD, GBP/USD, and USD/JPY pairs. It works best on M15 and H1 timeframes. With a minimum equity of just $1,000. Using a trend-based smart Martingale strategy, it comes with optimized presets ready to use. You can start at just €33 a month. Single account for 1 year, €169. Or get lifetime access for €219. We also offer a free trial version, so you can test it risk-free. The GMGS V2 isn't just a basic bot. It is designed to identify market trends and manage your trades intelligently, ensuring you stay profitable even in volatile markets. Now, let's talk results. We are tracking this live. In just 8 months, GMGS V2 has delivered a massive 108% growth. And look at the risk management, only 24% drawdown. It perfectly balances safety with high returns. Consistency is everything. Out of 1,660 to live trades, this AO maintains an impressive 71% win rate. Here is the trading history. You can see green pips stacking up one after another. Let's jump into MT4 to see how it works. Installation is simple. Just drag the bot to your chart. Here in the inputs, you have full control, but don't worry, our optimized presets do the hard work for you. Just load, click OK, and you are live. We also put GMGS V2 through rigorous backtesting. Watch how it handles price movements. We conducted a detailed backtest on GBP/USD pair using the M15 timeframe. Even during market spikes, the smart trend logic keeps the account safe and closes baskets in profit. It's built for longevity. Starting with an initial deposit of just $1,000. Finally, let's look at the numbers in the report. The strategy generated a massive $2,133 total net profit. The risk was kept under control with a maximal drawdown of just 9%. And most importantly, the accuracy is consistent with an 81% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more profitable tools. Happy trading!